Let me ask you something. What if I told you that becoming fluent in English doesn't require hours of study every single day? Sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Because the biggest problem is not your lack of time. The real problem is inconsistency. Most people think they need 1 or 2 hours every day, so they wait for the perfect time. But that perfect time never comes. Days become weeks, weeks become months, and their English stays exactly the same. So in this video, I'm going to show you why just 5 minutes a day can completely change your English speaking. But first, understand one thing. Fluency doesn't come from studying more. It comes from practicing regularly. 5 focused minutes every single day will always beat one long study session once a week. Tip 1. Never skip a day. Your goal is to build a habit. Even if you only have 5 minutes, use them. Read one paragraph, speak 5 sentences, listen to one short audio. Small actions every day create big results. Tip 2. Speak out loud. Don't just read silently. Your mouth needs practice as much as your brain. Read a sentence. Repeat it. Say it again with confidence. The more you hear your own English, the more natural it becomes. Just keep speaking. Tip 3. Use your daily routine. English is everywhere. When you wake up, say, "Good morning. Today will be a great day." While brushing your teeth, describe your actions. I am brushing my teeth. I am getting ready. While eating breakfast, name the food. These simple moments become free practice sessions. Tip 4. Learn useful phrases. Don't memorize random vocabulary. Instead, learn expressions that you actually use. How are you? I'm doing well. Can you help me? The more useful your sentences are, the faster you'll remember them. Tip 5. Listen every day. Choose a short English video, podcast, or conversation. Listen carefully. Pause. Repeat. Copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the expression. Don't try to sound perfect. Just try to sound better than yesterday. Tip 6. Think in English. Start with simple thoughts. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need water. I'm going to work. Slowly, your brain will stop translating every sentence. And that's when real fluency begins. Tip 7. Track your progress. After your 5-minute session, ask yourself, what did I learn today? Maybe one new word. Maybe one sentence. Write it down. Small improvements become powerful when you measure them. There's also one simple habit that makes a huge difference. Read something in English every single day. It could be a short article, a social media post, or subtitles from your favorite video. The goal is not to understand every word. The goal is to become comfortable seeing English every day. Read slowly. Notice how sentences are connected. Notice how common words appear again and again. Soon you'll realize that English is about patterns, not difficult grammar. Another powerful habit is shadowing. Choose one short sentence, play it, pause it, repeat it exactly the way the speaker says it. Copy their pronunciation, their rhythm, and confidence. Do this for just 2 minutes. Your speaking will improve much faster. Don't compare your progress with other people. Compare yourself with yesterday. If today you can speak one sentence more confidently, that's progress. Keep collecting these small victories. One day, you'll realize you're no longer translating every thought. You're simply speaking English naturally. One more thing, be patient with yourself. Real progress doesn't happen overnight. Some days you'll notice big improvements. Other days it may feel like nothing is changing. That's completely normal. Keep showing up. Every 5-minute session is another step toward confidence. Trust the process, stay consistent, and let time do its work. One day you'll look back and realize that speaking English has become a natural part of your everyday life. Now here's something most people ignore. 5 minutes is enough only if you focus. Put your phone away. Avoid distractions. Give those 5 minutes your full attention. Quality always beats quantity. Every fluent speaker started with simple sentences. Every confident speaker made mistakes. The only difference is that they kept going. So here's your simple challenge. For the next 30 days, practice English for just 5 minutes without missing a single day. No excuses, no waiting for Monday. Start today, 5 minutes, every day, that's all. 1 month from now, you'll be surprised by how much easier English feels. Because fluency isn't built in one long session, it's built through small, consistent actions that you repeat every single day. Tell me in the comments, will you accept the 5-minute challenge? I'll be waiting to hear your progress, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Let's make English simple, confident, and part of your everyday life.